Are you tired of dropped calls, frustratingly slow internet, and constantly searching for a signal bar in your own home or office? That endless struggle ends now. Meet the solution designed to bring crystal clear connectivity to every corner of your space. This is the Nikrans NS-300-Multi, a powerful and advanced signal booster engineered to amplify 5 different types of mobile signals simultaneously. It's the perfect future-proof choice if your household or business uses multiple mobile providers or needs to improve every kind of connection, from calls to high-speed data. This single device creates a powerful bubble of strong signal covering up to 300 square meters. That's ideal for a 1- or 2-story family home, a spacious apartment, a busy restaurant, a supermarket, or a medium-sized office. Essentially, it brings reliable coverage to any middle-sized place. The Nikrans NS-300-Multi is a true multi-band powerhouse. It boosts GSM for clear calls on both the 900 and 1800 MHz bands. It enhances 3G Internet on 2100 and 900 MHz. And it supercharges your 4G LTE Internet on 800, 2600 and 1800 MHz. In short, it supports all major networks across Europe and most countries worldwide. This booster is packed with smart technology. It features a clear display that shows you essential information like the working band and signal strength, so you always know it's working perfectly. It offers both smart and manual gain control. For most users, the smart function automatically optimizes performance, but tech-savvy users can fine-tune it manually. For your safety and network safety, it includes a network safe feature that automatically shuts down the booster if any error is detected. And a simple LED light system, green for good, orange or red for an issue, makes it incredibly easy to monitor its status at a glance. We know you want a solution, not a complicated project. That's why the Nikrans NS-300-Multi comes as a complete ready-to-use kit. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need: an indoor antenna, an outdoor antenna, all the necessary cables, a power supply, and mounting accessories. You can typically have it up and running in about 30 minutes, and we include a manual to guide you every step of the way. The Nikrans NS-300-Multi is everything you need to stay connected. It's powerful, effective, modern-looking, and compact. It eliminates poor call audibility and buffering for good. Stop putting up with bad signal. Click the link below to order your Nikrans NS-300-Multi today and transform your connectivity. And for a limited time, use the code VIDEO to save €10 on your purchase. Get yours now.